Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. We're looking at the Snowball Blue today. Let's get into the pros. It's stylish, easy to use and set up. Great to get things started. Cheap as chips. The sound is crisp and clear. The stand that it comes with is adjustable. There's 3 settings which are controlled by a switch at the back. There are no needs of drivers or installation to get it going. Let's get into the cons. There's no USB-C connection. The stand is very flimsy and can easily be knocked, resulting in the mic being damaged. The chrome version is quite hard to keep clean. Omni mode isn't the best. Feels like a wide cardioid pattern with a high pressure peak. Verdict. For the price and what you get is a very strong mic that you can easily use for almost any casual recordings. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.